Ezekiel here, founder of Asia Forex Mentor. Alright, this video I'd like to show you a recent pair that and a trade that we have just took. Alright, the pair over here is the Euro Aussie, and what happens is we have spotted the price action pin bar right at the Euro Aussie on the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so no doubt price action is king, but at the Asia Forex Mentor we look for confluence to add together with price action, which will define a good trade for us to take. Alright, so this is a pin bar. Alright, and what happens is let me draw a line over here. Okay, so what happens is I've drawn a price pivot over here where price has made resistance over here, resistance, support, and therefore this is a good area where price heads up, retraces back to form a pin bar. So what happens below is we can see more resistance over here in the zone over here. Alright, so we can form another mini pivot over here, and all this area adds up to a strong resistance area. Alright, so price forms a pin bar over here, which is a good area, but no doubt about this, we will look for further entry, further confirmation to add up, so that we will define this an even better trade. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me zoom up to the daily time frame to see if you can see anything. Alright, so what happens is, can we see over here? Let me take this one away. There is a 150 moving average. So this 150 moving average, alright, is a good strong resistance. So let me place it over here. Let me place it right at the 150 moving average. So this is the area. Alright, so let me zoom back to the 4-hour. So this is the exact area which is the 150 moving average on the daily time frame. So this is a strong resistance area. Alright, this is a strong resistance area, a pin bar of the resistance area. So now we know this is a good trade. Alright, so let's see if there is a further confluence which we could add up to the different factors and the reasons for us to enter on this trade. So let me go to the weekly chart. Alright, so in the weekly chart, let me take this bar away. In the weekly chart, the trend is down. Alright, the trend is down, and in our course at Asia Forex Mentor, we teach you a few different strategy. So this is one of the strategy of our 10-25 moving average. So price goes down, when it retraces up, touches the area over here, there is a good chance that price will head further down. So this is now in confluence with the 25 moving average on the weekly time frame. So let me draw a line over here to indicate. Alright, so let's go back to the 4-hour. So this is the area of the weekly one, the weekly 25. Alright, the 150 on the daily, the price pivot on the 4-hour, a pin bar, which is the king in Forex, alright, of the 4-hour chart. So this will be a good entry, and we will have entered right at the close of the pin bar. Alright, or we could have entered on the break. Let me zoom in later. Alright, we could have entered on the close of the pin bar over here, or we could enter on the break of the pin bar. Alright, so what happens is we will place our stop loss right above this area, right above the pin. Alright, let me take this bar away first. Okay, so let's say the pin close. Alright, we spotted all this confluence, we spotted the price action bar, so we entered right at the close of the pin. Okay, so, and this is our stop loss area, and our risk will be around 40 pips. Alright, so the good area for us to take profit will be at the low. Can we see here? The low, the previous low. So we entered on a close, 40 pips up. You will have a good 1:1.5 risk reward ratio in with just a few bars intact. So this will be a good area for us to enter, and this is our take profit area. So our profit has just been triggered, which is why I show you this trade. Alright, and this is a nice scenario of us spotting a price action first, and then we look for confluence not only on the same chart but on the other time frames. Alright, so if you can see, let me go down to the 1 hour. Let's see if you can spot anything over here. So this is the area where we entered at the close of the pin. Alright, and we can see where price staggered over here, which is the low. This is the previous low. Alright, and at the same time, this is our 200 moving average. So this will be the good area for us to take profit, and we have taken profit at this area. Alright, so all these adds up. So now you understand our entry, our stop loss, and the reason for us, and our take profit target, and the reason for it. This is how we trade at Asia Forex Mentor. Forex need not be difficult. Let's look at our chart. It is plain, it is simple, no confusing indicators, no whatsoever. Alright, so Forex trading is to be kept plain, is to be kept simple, and at the same time you will get good trades like this. Alright, so I look forward to seeing you in our course at Asia Forex Mentor, and I will talk to you soon.